In this video, we'll be looking at how to service your Ryco Fuel Water Separator. Fitting a fuel water separator is one of the best upgrades you can do to protect your diesel engine, designed to remove water and other contaminants from the fuel before it reaches the engine. Keep an eye on the bowl of your fuel water separator. The unit should be drained anytime water or contaminants make an appearance. This is especially important after any long trips to rural areas. To drain the unit, simply loosen the black tap on the bottom of the clear bowl and drain until all water has been removed. When it comes to the filter itself, Ryco recommends you replace the Z980 filter during your vehicle's regular fuel filter service interval. Start by loosening the filter from the head of the separator, remove and drain the fuel into a small container. Remove the fuel bowl from the old filter and change the bottom seal and refit to the new Z980 filter. Now apply a small film of oil to the seal. Fit the filter to the head of the fuel water separator and tighten to a 3/4 turn after the gasket contacts the mounting pad. Refit the assembly to the engine bay. You'll need to prime the system before starting by turning the key to accessories. It's also important to note that if a large volume of water has entered your fuel tank may need to be drained or serviced, and your factory fuel filter may need to be replaced to ensure the fuel system is clear of water contaminants. For more information on Ryco Fuel Water Separators for your 4-wheel drive, head to www.rycofilters.com.au.